On the measures against Kosovo, a part of the report is that we will lift the measures as soon as possible, especially now after the local elections being running well. And about Serbia, the report is critical, yes, indeed. On the other hand, we are in a constant contact with the government, with the president, and they promise they will deliver. And we will follow this very shortly. And to say this, it was a difficult year for Serbia because of the constant process. They have gotten a new government. So we are now, we have to admit, at the end of the process of naming a new REM, and regarding also the new electoral law. So these are good developments. So I don't see Serbia going into the direction of Georgia.